Welcome! In front of me I have Honor Band 9 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on this device. To turn on this smartband you will need a couple of things. You will need a charging cable that was provided with your device, looks like this. We have the USB A end that you can plug into a charging port or the charging brick or the computer, for example, the USB on the computer, and the other end that you plug to your device. And what you need to do is to basically plug this end to the power source and this one to the smartband, and the smartband will turn on. So I'm gonna plug the USB A end to the extension cord I have right here. This extension cord is plugged to the power brick, so I know it will provide the power. It can be computer or anything else that provides the power through the USB basically. Okay, and this end I'm gonna plug to our smartband, and it's quite easy because it's magnetic, so it will snap on only in the right direction rather, so you can really plug it wrong. And once it snaps on, the smartband will turn on, and after you see the Honor logo you can unplug the charger, and that's how you turn on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.